Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Love Notes Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, the double crochet V-stitch, and be familiar with the offset V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. So like I said, we're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. I'm going to make 151 chains for my example blanket. So like I said, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. I made 151 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Skip 2 chains. Into this next one, you're going to make a double crochet V-stitch. So that's a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into the same chain together. Skip 2 chains, make that double crochet V in the next chain. Skip 2 chains, work that double crochet V into the next chain. You're going to continue this sequence of skipping 2 chains, working a double crochet V into the next one until you have 3 chains left in your row. So like I said, when you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left. You're going to skip 2 chains, and into the last chain of your row, make 1 double crochet by itself. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. So for this row, we are going to completely ignore the open spaces made from these previous double crochet V-stitches. We're only going to work into stitches. And these chains in the middle of these double crochet V's are going to count as stitches. So to begin, I'm going to skip 3 stitches. So the first one, this one right here, and then this chain. Into this next stitch, I'm going to make a double crochet V, so that double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, this stitch and then this chain. Working into this next stitch, I'm going to make a double crochet V, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in that stitch. Same thing, skip 2 stitches, this one and this one right here. Into this next one, make a double crochet V. Same thing, skip 2 stitches, into this next stitch, make a double crochet V. So you can see how I'm placing these double crochet V that we're making off to the side, or offset if you're familiar with the offset V stitch, on these stitches from our last row. So you're always going to be making them into this stitch right here, the left side of our previous double crochet V's, until you reach the end of our row. So you're going to continue to skip 2 stitches and make this double crochet V into the next stitch until you reach the last stitch of your row. So at the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left and then some chains. You're going to skip this 1 stitch, and into the tops of these previous chains, you're going to make a double crochet by itself. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for how long you want your blanket. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. I made a total of 80 rows for the body, and that'll be about a throw size. I tend to stick around 60 inches by 55 inches for my blankets, and that is a throw size. So that is going to be how to make my Love Notes Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.